तुषाराद्रिसङ्काशगौरं कबीरं मनोभूतकोटि प्रभाश्रीशरीरं स्फुरन्मौलिकल्लोलिनी चारुगङ्गा लसत्फालबालेन्दुकण्ठे भुजङ्गा.
A warm welcome to all the devotees on Raksha Sutra English. We are going to narrate wonderful holy stories to all the devotees from the book Miracles of Love by Ramdas ji, an exclusive devotee of Maharaj ji. Please listen carefully, all the devotees. In 1943, Maharaj ji came to Fatehgarh, where there was an old couple whose son was away fighting in Burma. When Maharaj ji came to their house, they gave the little they had to Maharaj ji. They had only 2 coats. Maharaj ji said, "I will sleep now." They gave him one of the coats and a blanket. The old couple stayed up the whole night watching Maharaj ji. He was groaning and moving in the bed until 4 a.m. At 4:30, Maharaj ji became quiet. Then he took the bed sheet and wrapped something in it. He told the old man, "It's very heavy. Don't try to see what in it. You should throw it into the Ganga, where it is deep. No one should see you or you will be arrested." As he was taking it to the Ganga, he felt it and it was full of bullets. When he returned, the old man was told by Maharaj ji, "Don't worry, your son is coming in a month." When the son came some weeks later, he said he had almost died. His company had been ambushed by the enemy, and by chance he had fallen into a ditch. All night bullets were flying left and right. At 4 a.m., the Japanese saw that they had killed everyone, and so they retreated. At 4:30, the Indian troops came. The son was the only survivor. It was the same night Maharaj ji had visited the parents that this ambush occurred. One day, Maharaj ji asked to be driven from the plains to the distant mountain town of Bhimtal. He went straight to a devotee's house and told the people there to go to the old pilgrimage rest cabin at the Shiva temple and bring back whomever was staying there. For years, no one had stayed in the dilapidated rest cabin, so the devotees thought it very unusual. When they found one of the doors locked from within, they knocked and shouted, but no one answered. Then they returned and reported to Maharaj ji. Maharaj ji left that house and went to see another devotee, where he again sent people to the rest house with instructions not to return without its occupant. They caused a great commotion at the door until finally an old man opened the window. He tried to send the devotees away, but they persisted, until finally the man and his wife were taken to Maharaj ji. Immediately Maharaj ji started shouting, "Do you think you can threaten God by starving yourselves? He won't let his devotees die so easily. Take prasad." He called for puris and sweets, but the man refused them. Maharaj ji insisted, and finally they both ate. The couple had come from South India on a pilgrimage to Badrinath and other holy places. They were from a very rich family, but had decided to leave home and finally behind to devote their remaining years to prayer. They had resolved to pay their own way and never to beg. As they were returning from Badrinath, all their money and possessions had been stolen. They had only enough money for bus fare to Bhimtal, where they found the deserted rest cabin. They resolved to stay there and die, since that seemed to be the Lord's will. They had been locked inside without food for 3 days before Maharaj Ji forced them out. Maharaj Ji insisted that they accept money for their trip back to Madras. They said that they would not beg. Maharaj Ji said they were not begging and they could mail the money back when they reached home. They accepted the money and were sent off. O Kabir, why be afraid of anyone when the Lord Himself protects you? What does it matter if 1,000 dogs bark fiercely when you are seated on an elephant? To listen the wonderful holy stories of Maharaj Ji, please like, share, subscribe the channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon. Write in the comment box Jai Neem Karoli Baba Ji Maharaj and Jai Ramdas Ji.